All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with these two bad boys. Right over here I've got the CMF Conquest and the Alliance Designs Conquest here with me for a quick comparison review. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these two fellas. Here we have the custom, here we have the production, here we have an expensive one, and here we have a less expensive one. So basically Alliance Designs is taking some designs from custom knife makers and just making like a more affordable version of these stunning and unobtainable pieces. So here you get to see like one clear example of what is going on. So basically Alliance Design is gonna take like these designs, like in this case like the Conquest from CMF, designed by Ian Pikarsky, and they're gonna make like a production version in China at an affordable price. And here you have the production version of this very custom right over here. So really similar. I mean, very close in some details. There's a little bit of differences. Like the first one, which was like a nitpick in the custom, is that the tip is like sticking out a little bit too much, and I'm able like to actually snag it with my nail and just deploy the blade. In the production version, you can still snag it, but like you can feel the tip, but I can't really reach it, you know. So it's that's kind of like a fixed problem. The second thing that comes to my mind is the action. So as you can see, the flipper tab is lacking a jimping in the custom. Therefore, like the light switch deployment method is going to be the preferred one, but it's going to lack a little bit of grip. You see, you can easily like fail the knife, whereas in this case, you have to try a little bit harder, like you see, and you have a little bit more springy tension going on for the deployment. Not springy tension, but just like, you know what I mean? Like there's more like detent, strength in this one than in the custom. So that's gonna deploy better than the custom, and that's interesting. The design is pretty much the same, proportions, main features are all respected. You see, like the standoffs are very similar. The pocket clip is also pretty much identical, except for the finish, of course. Everything you see here in the lock bar is pretty spot on. We definitely have a different stock thickness. We're gonna check it in a second, but as you can see on this side also we have a little bit of difference going on there, but pretty much we are on the same page for sure. So let's actually check the blade stock, because we got a 0.158 and 0.185 for the custom. So definitely the custom is gonna be a thicker boy. Let's also check the weight, because of course we have like different materials, so it's not like really comparable, but because of course titanium is gonna be weighing more and is gonna be weighing at 3.98 ounces, and the Alliance is gonna be 3.12 ounces. So here you have like your difference in weight. Also, what you're gonna notice probably is the sound of the Alliance and the sound of the custom. So very different. I don't know if you can appreciate that, but and that's the custom. So I mean, quite the difference. This is the Alliance. It's a little bit more lower pitched. The custom is a little bit quieter. They are both running on bearings. The action, I would probably say it's pretty much on par. I mean, they both need a wiggle to get the blade closed. Probably the custom is a little bit smoother than the production, but nonetheless they are both fantastic ones. A little bit of issue here for the tip sticking out, a little bit, tiny bit of a hotspot, but we are in the realm of some pretty cool designs, like for sure. Hence, Alliance Designs just jumped on this one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.